Hey, what's up everyone? Aldrin Vicente here, giving you a quick overview of the Enagic business model, which is really exciting because it's in the direct sales industry, which is one of the largest industries in the world. In 2016 alone, direct sales pulled in over $183 billion globally, and the largest chunk of that actually went to the health and wellness category, which is and will always be the largest category out there. So here we go. Enagic is a leader in global health. They've already been in business for over 4 decades now, and they're OEM, which means they have 100% control of the entire manufacturing process. And they're a member of the Direct Selling Association as well as the Better Business Bureau. This is a true global business. They have offices all over the world, and it's awesome because I learned that your value is determined by how many people you serve and how well you serve them. So the company being global, it doesn't matter where you meet somebody, whether it's online or offline, you have the opportunity to impact their family. What's exciting is that this water technology is going to be the next megatrend product, and unlike the other companies, there's no sign-up fees, there's no monthly qualifications, you don't have to stock up on inventory or be on a subscription every month, there's no annual renewals, no losing your rank, there's no licensing required, and there's accumulative sales, there's easy financing for everyone, international sponsoring, there's 9 different ways to earn income, and it pays daily. So, what are megatrend products? These are things that most people don't know about, yet the majority will own. You just have to give it time. And you want to position yourself in front of this water ionizer because it's going to be the next kitchen appliance. 0.1% of the people out there have ever heard of something like this, which means you can talk to 1,000 people and 999 of them have no idea what Kangen water is, but they're going to because everybody drinks water and everyone wants to be healthy. See, imagine if you had positioned yourself in front of these other mega trend products before anybody ever had them. But see, here's the thing. Kangen water is going to be one of the largest global trends that anybody has ever seen. And the reason being is, guys, we can't drink bottled water forever. In the United States alone, 29 billion water bottles are thrown away every single year. And no one's living under a rock. People know what's in their water, they just don't know what the solution is. Everybody's already buying it every single day. Most of them are overpaying for it. The majority of them are uneducated on what's actually in their water, and it's doing more harm than good. Enagic built a solid foundation in the Japanese market. It's a proven product emerging in brand new markets all over the world with rapid global expansion. And guys, it's in health and wellness, which is the #1 Googled topic in the world because health is wealth. And this is true direct sales business. It is not multi-level marketing. It's not one of those pyramid things where it's like, hey, go get your 5 and then help them get their 5 and so on and so forth and you'll be a millionaire. No. This is direct sales business where it's kind of like owning a franchise. Every single time you sell a machine, you're opening up another stream of income. It's actually so unique that the company patented their business model. It's called the 8-point commission system. Let's take the K8 for example, which runs $49.80. Every single time a machine is sold, the company pays out 8 points of commissions. Now, for this machine, each point is worth $340, and depending on where you are in the business model determines how many points of commissions you get. So sometimes you get a check for $340, sometimes you even get a check for $2,040. It really just depends on your rank. So when I saw this, I was thinking, well, that's why they cost $4,980. And my friend says, no, you don't understand. There's always a marketing budget. Instead of the company paying for celebrities, magazines, TV commercials, and billboards, they pay people like us to share it with our friends and family. And it's kind of like when Apple charges over $1,000 for a phone that costs less than $30 to manufacture. So let's say you just got started. It doesn't matter which machine you invest in because they all come with the distributor ID, which is basically a referral code that allows you to participate in the business and share this with people. On your first 2 sales, you're going to get a check for $340 each, which is 1 point of commission. That's what the 1A stands for. That means 1 point agent. On your third direct sale, you're going to get a check for $680, which is 2 points of commission because you just got promoted. That means you're a 2-point agent and you're earning twice the commissions from that point moving forward. Now, that's cool and all, but that's still linear income, meaning you sold a machine and you got paid. You still traded time for money. So where's the leverage in this business? Let's say your first 3 sales are Matt, Josh, and Ben. And Matt and Josh just want to drink the water, but Ben is like, hey, you know what? I love this business, and I think I could do this too. And he goes out there and he sells 5 machines. Well, Ben's just getting started, so he would make 340, 340, 680, 680, 680. But you, since Ben is in your 2-point franchise, you're going to earn 2 points of commissions off those, which is equal to 680, 680, 680, 680, 680, 5 times. And it doesn't even matter if you're there or not. That's where the leverage kicks in. After you have a total of 10 group sales, meaning you don't have to sell them all yourself. What if you only sold those 3, but then Ben sold 7? That equals 10. Now, on your next direct sale, you're going to get promoted again, and now you're a 3-point agent, meaning you're going to earn 1,020 for 1 machine. Imagine now you brought in this girl, Stephanie, and she goes out there and sells 3 machines within her first few weeks. Stephanie will make 340, 340, 680 since she's just getting started, but you would earn 1,020 3 times. Because any sales that take place in your 3-point franchise lane generates 3 points of commissions for you, which would be 1,020. Now, after you have a total of 20 group sales, you get promoted again. Now you're a 4-point agent, earning 1,360 per machine. And remember, you don't need to sell all 20. This is all accumulative, so it's all based on group sales also. Once you reach 50 total group sales, you hit 5A, which means you're earning 5 points of commissions. So if you take 5 times 340, that equals 1,700. And then again, you get promoted to 6A once you've helped 100 total families, no matter if they were direct to you or not. And here's the beautiful thing about Enagic is there's no going backwards. You can never lose your rank. Once you hit this rank, you are there for good. There's no de-ranking. There's no requalifications every single month. The only way you move in this business is upwards. Now imagine this time you bring in your friend Bailey and she buys a K8. You're going to get a check for 2,040 for that 1 machine. But let's say Bailey goes out there and sells 5 machines to her friends and family. Again, she would earn 340, 340, 680, 680, 680, but you would earn 2,040 5 times. I mean, guys, imagine what type of impact that could make on your family. Now remember, this is not multi-level marketing, so the company doesn't pay based off of levels, it pays based off of points. And if the company only pays out 8 points per sale, let's say you help Bailey achieve the rank of 4A, and she's in your 6-point franchise. When she sells a machine, you're probably expecting a check for 2,040, but instead you get a check for 1,360. Because now that Bailey is a 4-point agent, she's actually taking 4 out of the 8 points that the company pays out. So instead of getting a check for 2,040, you get a check for 1,360 because there's only 4 points left to pay out. And this is incredible because 6A is literally just a stepping stone. And from that point moving forward, what you want to do is help other people achieve the rank of 6A as well. I'm not going to go too deep into the compensation plan. I just wanted to give you guys a basic overview of how the commission structure works. This is exactly why it's not multi-level marketing, because the people at the top don't make money off the people at the bottom. In Robert Kiyosaki's book, The Cash Flow Quadrant, he talks about how you don't want to be an employee or self-employed because you can never earn true freedom. You always have to trade time for money, and there's only 168 hours in the week and you can't work them all. That's why many people want to become business owners and investors, because as a business owner, you get to own a system that works for you and you get to make your money work for you. A recent survey showed that 84% of people actually had a positive view on entrepreneurship, and 51% of them can actually imagine themselves starting a business. And get this, they all drink water. That's why this business is so simple and easy to duplicate, because all we're doing is sharing water. We give it to our friends and family. We tell them, hey, you know what? Instead of wasting your money at the store, come to my house and get it for free. I would love to see what it could do for you. And then we share information, whether it's a video or a website, so that they can actually see something to learn more about it. And then if we can, bring them to a live demonstration and show them what the water can actually do inside their body and why it works the way it does. And then of course, follow up and have fun. And remember, this business pays daily, so you never know when you're going to get a nice surprise in the mailbox. For more details or any information on how to get started, please feel free to contact me anytime, or get back with the person that sent you this video, because they honestly, genuinely care about you. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.